back to Cocktails for Quarantines. Today we're gonna make the Negroni. Negroni has had quite a fantastic last few years, becoming one of the most popular drinks to order at bars and restaurants. But it's also very easy to drink to put together at the house if you have the right ingredients. It's just 3 ingredients and they're equal portions. So if you're making one for yourself or making a handful for you and your friends, it's really easy to get the ratios right because it's equal parts of the 3 ingredients. So let's put one together and enjoy it. It is a gin drink. So today we're going to use Aviation American Gin. You can go a lot of different directions gin-wise with this cocktail, but I've really enjoyed this one recently. So we'll try that today. And then everyone's favorite bitter aperitif, Campari from Italia, and of course some sweet vermouth. Please remember to keep your vermouth in the refrigerator. We are using Antica formula sweet vermouth, which is just really amazing, great for Manhattans, and it's great in a Negroni as well. So we'll make this in a mixing glass and serve it in a rocks glass. So you'll need one of those as well. We don't need any bitters, just these 3 ingredients, and we're ready to go. So let's start with the gin. 1 ounce of the gin. And 1 ounce of the Campari. I don't think it hurts that it's also a really pretty looking cocktail. That always helps with popularity. And 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. For how complex it is, it's really easy to make at the house, and you get a really wonderful cocktail with just these ingredients. So we'll add ice to our shaker. Make sure the liquid is covered in your mixing glass, and then we'll stir for 20 to 30 seconds to get it properly chilled and properly diluted. If you're not good at the mixing glass and stirring situation yet, just remember you want to keep the back of the bar spoon on the outside of the mixing glass so that the ice isn't jostling around inside and chipping anything off. You want to keep the ice whole and not too much agitation. That way you maintain that nice silky texture in your drink when it comes out of the mixing glass. All right, glass, and got a large cube here. This is from our clear ice maker that is extremely cumbersome to use, but clear ice is just so pretty when it's in a drink. And then I need a strainer. There we go, got a strainer. So go right in this glass. Very smooth consistency. Really nice. And then an orange garnish is required for the Negroni. And let's just trim this up and make it look pretty. There we go. Now I'm going to take a little baby clip after getting some of these orange oils here. Just clip this guy to the side like that. And there is your Negroni. Enjoy, and thanks for joining us on Cocktails for Quarantines. We'll see you next time.
Cocktails